Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribing. I know I have 200 subscribers already. I am grateful. Thank you so much. Please, if this video is helpful, kindly like and subscribe please. So what I did is I'm trying to draft the I tried to draft the basic skirt. I forgot to add allowance to the hip side, so that is what I did. And for the back I just added half inch for the sewing allowance, and it is cut on fold. At the back I went down by 1 inch so that the zip will not gape at the back, and I went ahead to label it front and back. The next thing we are doing is to place your fabric on your paper and pleat it the way you want at the center. If you like, you can start from the side, but I started from the center just to get a perfect pleat. So if you like, you can just pleat the two sides only, because we are still going to rip off the middle sewing. The tension was too tight, so the paper got torn. That was why I used my masking tape to tape it back. Here I am trying to pin the other side, but it wasn't very easy for me. It wasn't easy at all. So you see that at the end of the day I had to do something else. I scattered it and I had to turn it the other side to do. As the video goes on, you will see that part. So this is what I am. Can you see? I have already removed it. It wasn't easy, so I had to just turn it to the other side and pleat. So this is what I'm saying. If you wish, you can decide not to sew it at the center. You can just do the side only the two sides, but I did the center because I want it to have a perfect shape, a perfect pleat. The first one I did, I just I will attach the video. You see the video now. I just pleated it on both sides. I did not do the center. And at the same time, if you do not want it pleated like this, you can gather it. You can just use your hand to gather it. I'm done pleating on both sides, so I have already cut one side. It wasn't on the edge of the paper, so I had to re-sew, and I'll do the same thing for the other side. Can you see where I sew it before? It wasn't on the side, so which means I'll be losing that two parts. So here is the back part. I did not slash it open. I didn't slash it open. I started from the side, as you can see, then I did the center, then the other side. When you turn it, you can now sew at the edge. Just know that you will rip it off. All those lines, you rip it off. The double line you are seeing on the skirt is because I didn't get the center at the back, so which means I'll be ripping off the other line that is not at the center. I have already removed the paper, and I tried to knitting the edges. So this is the that pleat, that flounce, or what do we call it, at the side. So I used 14.5 inches divided by 2, that is like 7.25 for each side. Then I went ahead to sew the edges and the top part. Then I am pleating it as I want. If you like, you can just gather it. You can use your needle and thread to gather first, then you put it on it. Do you understand? If you have any question, please drop it at the comment section and I will reply all. I did the same thing for the other side. Please kindly subscribe if you have gotten to this stage. Help your girl and subscribe to my channel. Now at the zipper area, I try to make another sewing because I'll be opening it. If I did not secure it down like that, it will the pleat will just scatter. So here I added my band to both the front and the back. Then here I have added the band to the front and the back, and we all know how to fix zip. I fixed my zip. If you know this will not be easy for you, you can slash the back open, or if you know you cannot sew zipper with half inch, you can slash the back open and add your desired zipper allowance. I am trying to hem the down part of it there. Then I did something funny. I added elastic just to hold the back down, but I later removed it because it was jumping at the back. It was really jumping at the back. So the elastic is not compulsory, but if you like, you can add it. So here I am joining the two sides, the side of the right side facing each other. If you notice this material, this is I think the name is shiny. I don't know the name, but it's a very cheap material. I think I got it to 500 naira per yard, and I decided to use the wrong side because I might eventually wear this skirt, but I am not sure I can wear material like is lining. They use it under lace, so I might eventually wear it. That is why I use the wrong side of it, that in case. Look at the zipper I just fixed, that's spoiled, so I had to change the zipper. This is the final look. Can you see the back? Let me show you the front, and I will also show you that this is not mago. I'm not cheating. I'll wear it for you. Look, this is me wearing it so that you can see. Then I adjusted it with my hand. If you like this video, please subscribe.